Okay, so here we are. I've inserted the right lens. I've zeroed out the lensometer. So we're gonna quickly find our prescription. So once again, rotating. I haven't looked at this lens beforehand, so I don't know what we're dealing with. That looks to be about the center. So now we'll move our axis wheel until it seems to clear up. That seems to bring it into focus a little bit. There we go. That was pretty easy, actually. And we can see when we move the axis wheel that it gets blurry. And if you look at where those lines converge, you can almost see that they blur into a certain direction. So right now they're blurring to the right. If I move it too far to the right, they blur to the left. And you can kind of see that where the sphere and the cylinder lines meet. So you want to get them so they line up just straight. There we go. Around there. All right, so now again, moving the wheel away from us. No, we don't find the cylinder, so that means we are looking at plus cylinder form right now. And to solve that, we want to rotate our axis wheel 90 degrees. We are currently at about 150, 149-ish. So we're going to want to move to 60, 59-ish. Say right about, that should do the trick. So let's see. Yep, that worked. All right, so that's our cylinder. So we move first. Let's go find our sphere. Moving away from us, we found the cylinder, so we know we are in the minus lens form. Good to go. All right, so taking a look, this is at a minus, let's see, move it closer towards -2. It's sharper. Moving towards the 0.75, it gets more blurry. So we'll round that out to the -2. Right lens OD, it's going to be -2.00. Taking a look back here, moving the wheel away from us. Clearing up those cylinder lines. There we go. All right. And right there, that brings us at about the 2.75. So -2.75. And again, we want to ask ourselves, how do we get from -2 to -2.75? Well, we have to subtract 0.75. So that becomes our cylinder, -0.75. Our axis is 0.059, 3 digits, 059. And now to find our prisms, we want to see where do those lines meet. The center of the cylinder and the center of the sphere. So it looks to be just behind 2. If we're looking horizontally, just behind the 2. Let's see. You wouldn't call that 1.5, maybe 1.75. That even looks to be a stretch. I would guess probably closer to 87, because again, dealing with eighths. We'll go with that. So we are moving to the left. Again, we're working horizontally, moving to the left. 87. This is the right lens. Right, we're moving to the left, which is the outside. So 0.87 base out. And now we're going to look for our vertical decentration. And let's see, that looks like it's right about at the 1. To make that a little bit more clear, we can rotate it that way, and we know that that circle is still the 1. Vertically, that first circle on the inside, that's 1. And that looks to be right there. We're moving up. So That's going to be 1.00 prisms base up. So there we go. Found the prescription and the prisms for both of these lenses right there.